How to get DoorDash points. For this, go ahead and open your DoorDash application and make sure that it is up to date. For that, open your Play Store and check for an update. If it is up to date, simply tap Open to the application. Log in or sign up using these options. Now, once you are in your profile, you might find some of the offers by the restaurants or the DoorDash itself. You can use those offers to gain some point off the DoorDash as well. And the second thing that is, DoorDash will provide a membership. You can go ahead and apply to the membership, and via those you can also receive some of the DoorDash points. To gain some extra points, you can also go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the top of your screen. From there, you can tap on Refer Friend option. From here, you can tap on Share your link via text or email. By doing this, you will gain some of the points of the DoorDash. You can also receive some of the DoorDash point when your friend that you referred order ups for the first time, or after he or she reaches to the 15 delivery options. Now by doing this, you'll be able to earn some serious points using your DoorDash. So go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you very soon.